This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to drive a VW Beetle. Start by adjusting the seat and mirrors, fasten your seatbelt, press the clutch fully, select first gear, and release the handbrake smoothly. Ease the clutch until the bite point and gently apply throttle while slowly releasing the clutch to avoid stalling. Practice in a quiet area, repeat shifts when comfortable, and always obey traffic laws. Use parking brake on hills and downshift when slowing. Grip the steering wheel at 9 and 3, keep both hands relaxed, and use smooth inputs for stability. Watch mirrors and blind spots before merging, signal early, and maintain a safe following distance expressed as time. Use gentle braking with progressive pressure to avoid jerky stops and downshift when descending steep grades to engine brake. Learn clutch control for smooth hill starts and practice reverse maneuvers in an empty lot until confident. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more content. On another note, the Echo Dot brings music, voice control, and compact sound to your garage or home office. It fits on a shelf, streams clearly, and pairs for hands-free help while you work on your Beetle. Check the description for the link and other deals. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. Now let's get back to the video. Keep the Beetle maintained with regular oil changes, tire pressure checks, and inspection of brakes and lights. Monitor for unusual noises, clutch slipping, or warning lights and address issues before they worsen to prevent breakdowns. Understand the gearbox feel. Older Beetles may need more deliberate gear selection and occasional adjustments to linkage. Carry basic tools, a puncture kit, and emergency contacts so you can handle minor roadside problems with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.